This is a tricky standard that some 8th graders often struggle with throughout the year. So I want to do the best that I can in talking about what the standard means, and then also what it would look like and how it applies to our class so that you can move forward and practice this standard with my explanation support. So the standard basically says you are able to create questions that connect ideas and responses from those discussions that you participate in. So what does that actually mean? It says making important questions about the topic. If you're engaged in a discussion and you are equally listening as well you are talking, that means that you're absorbing the information that's happening within the actual group. So as you absorb that information, allow yourself to be curious about what's going on and ask questions that connect ideas and responses to what's happening. How can you take the people that are in your group and the discussion that you're creating and make connections to everything that's being discussed? So for example, how do you link thoughts from conversations into your questions? How do we piece all these valuable opinions and valuable ideas together so that it makes one big picture easy for us to understand? In addition, the questions should respond to your own ideas and your questions about the topic. Obviously, we want to stay on topic. We don't want to be sidetracked. We want to engage in conversation meaningfully, purposefully, so that you can gain something out of this and make this meaningful to your learning process. Okay, this can come in lots of different forms, but for us it could be writing down questions, or it could be forming questions related to the subject verbally if you're given time, writing down in the form of our when we did blog responses, or if you have your writer's notebook section. Those areas can easily be utilized for the questions that you may have for your group, you may have for individuals in your group, or you may even have for me. The more questions that you can develop in a discussion, the more that you can be attuned for your own understanding. That means that you can make sure that you understand everything, and that the more you understand, the more you get out of this as well. Your learning increases.